Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can create AI generated images here in Canva. So first, over here at the left, you wanna click on Magic Media, but if you cannot find it here, just click on Apps, then search for Magic Media here, then just click on it, and then you just wanna choose what kind of media you want to create. You can either create an image, a graphic, or a video, but I'm gonna create an image. Then you want to write your prompt, or you want to describe what you want to generate. For example, I'm gonna write a young girl with glasses going to school. Then you just want to enter it. Then wait for it for a few seconds. Then it will generate a few options for you. Then you just want to go ahead and choose which one you like the best. Then just click on it so that it can appear here at your blank canvas. So it's easy as that. Thanks for watching.